may isang nagbalak sa Maynila.
Hindi si Sam Versosa. Amy Marco.
No.
Hindi.
Basta somebody. Basta hindi mo makakain, lalo na yun si Joel Chua, who lied here in this show, na wala siyang sinabi in your face, all of you here, na hindi raw niya ginawa yun. No, that's not true. You said something.
Alright.
Andiyan si Letlet. Andiyan si Letlet.
Ayan, oo.
Buhay pa si Letlet. Ha? Dalawa kayo ni Roland Valeriano. Ngayon lang ako sumagot kasi hindi ko kayo sinasagot nung kampanya. Ayoko ma-blur. Total, tapos naman ang lahat. Hindi magpa-lie detector test tayo. Kumbaga, para malaman natin kung sino nagsasabi ng
So, you're not
totoo.
at liberty to tell us ano yung sinabi nilang dalawa?
Hindi mo makakain. And the way the actuation, be man enough. Total lang, tatapang nyo sa Quadcom eh.
Taon na,
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone.
Alright.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That
Naku po, may babala at hamon po na lie detector test si Yormisco Moreno kay Congressman Joel Chua at nagbabala rin ito kay Congressman Valeriano, ha? Naku po, huwag talaga kayong magkakamaling dyan sa City of Manila dahil mayroon na pong tagapagtanggol ng mga batang Manila Manileño na walang iba si Yormisco Moreno. Mismong si Yormisco Moreno ang magpusa sa inyo, ha. Naku po talagang ito, ha. Ito yung natawag po natin na Manila Yormisco Moreno Manila will make great again. Ako, yan ang tunay na may batas ang City of Manila. 24/7 yan. Kaya yung mga tulonggis dyan, ang mga congressman, humanda na kayo. So without further ado, let's begin.
sa lahat ng viewers ni Dodoy Te, ito, yun, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli. Please continue to watch the videos and please do subscribe. Ingat kayo. God first.
So yung sinabi mo nga yun, I need to ask you this because ikaw din ay nangako na hindi ka tatakbo, di ba?
Yes.
I know sinagot mo na to, but kailangan ko lang ulit tanungin. You went back, you didn't honor your word also to your vice mayor back then, na naniwala na nasa kanya na ang mayoral post at hindi ka nababalik.
Tama naman yun. In fact, alam din niya eh. Alam niya yung mga schedules namin that I'm retired. She knows it. In fact, I told him so many times. Trying to give her data as a matter of concern at malasakit sa kanya. Kaya lang talagang hindi niya kinaya yung mga nakapalibot na congressman. She were made to believe that she's doing okay. And those people, yung mga congressman na yun, ano naman yun personal interest lang naman ang gusto nung mailigtas ang ulo nila. My concern is the people of Manila. I asked the people of Manila to vote for you. At some level, whether it is small, I don't know how you sukatin, yung kung paano mo susukat. I said you are a good mayor. And you did not. Anong mukha naman ang iharap ko sa mga taga-Maynila na ipinagpariwara ko sila?
So you were, would it be right to say you were very disappointed with the performance?
Yes.
Very disappointed,
Yes.
ganon?
Yes. And we ran a data, I think that was May or June, may isang nagbalak sa Maynila. Tinest namin data. And it's overwhelmingly mananalo yung tao na yun.
May nagbalak na tumakbo.
Yes.
Hira niyo yung nag-survey
yung
kayo.
particular person na yun.
Hindi si Sam Versosa.
No, not
Iba
him.
pa?
I think
si Amy Marco?
No.
Hindi.
Basta somebody. We ran the numbers, then overwhelmingly, iboboto yung tao na yun. Si Sam is running for Congress. I think he bought also data in my absence Kasi madalis ang bumili ng data eh. Oh, for them, 2 million is nothing. Oh, no? Yung mga kanila, mga bilyonaryo naman yan eh. Then,
Ikaw hindi?
sinubok namin ngayon. Sabi ko nga, maglagay ka nga ng karga, tanong. Karga, yung rider question. So, tinest namin itong mga taon to, talaga si Ate Tel Ender. Sa dulo siya ng walang hanggan. Sa totoo lang. Total, tapos naman ang lahat. In hindsight na tayo, no? Parang, sabi, ba't ganun kasama? Then, nag-rider kami. Nung nag-rider kami, naubos lahat itong mga magbabalak. And overwhelmingly, at 81%, including others, yun ang lumabas na, no?
Quick
So,
question about that. I know you're not gonna say who this person is, but yung nagbalak, wala ho ba siyang kakayanan?
Sobrang dami niyang kakayanan.
Sobra. Okay.
Sobrang dami niyang kakayanan. Hindi ko masabing who is she. Basta, they have resources.
She siya,
Political weight and other resources and means, no?
Okay.
Kawawa naman ang ate ko. Di talaga nababagabag ako. And I told them, ito yung...
Pinakita mo.
Oo. Tapos wala. Hindi ko may kwento sa yung mga masasakit na salita. It's so painful that pinagmamalasakit mo sila. Pero the words that hindi mo makakain, lalo na yun si Joel Chua, who lied here in this show, na wala siyang sinabi in your face, all of you here, na hindi raw niya ginawa yun. No, that's not true. You said something. You said something that even you yourself cannot be proud of. To me.
Okay. All right.
Andiyan si Letlet. Andiyan si Letlet.
Ayan, oo.
Buhay pa si Letlet. Dalawa kayo ni Roland Valeriano. Ngayon lang ako sumagot kasi hindi ko kayo sinasagot ng kampanya. Ayoko ma-blur yung damdamin ng tao. Gusto ko fix ang eyesight ng tao based on program of governance ang i-offer. But in hindsight, yung dalawa na yan, said something na kahit ikaw, Pinky, hindi mo makakain. Yun ang katotohanan. Now, kung gusto nyo, total, tapos naman ang lahat, edi magpa-lie detector test tayo. Kumbaga, para malaman natin kung sino nagsasabi
So,
ng
you're
totoo.
not at liberty to tell us ano yung sinabi nilang dalawa?
Hindi mo makakain. And the way the actuation in the corner, the way the physical actuation on how they treat you, yung kung paano ka pagsalitaan ng mga taong at one point in time they are in the streets, you believe in them, nurture them, hone them, give them chance, you're happy, you became successful, and the least thing that you can, expect is, pare, kape naman tayo. But yung sigaw-sigawan ka't pagsalitaan ka ng hindi maganda, and you have a balls to say in Bilyonaryo that wala kayong sinabi.
Okay.
You're fooling the viewers and the broadcasters. Be man enough. Anyway, tapos na ang halalan. At least, magkikita-kita pa rin naman tayo. Ngayon ako sumasagot. So not to confuse the people based on emotional voting. I really wanted the people of Manila decide based on performance. But now, Pinky, I'm here telling them straight, be man enough. Total lang, tatapang nyo sa Quadcom eh. Pag dito sa television, mukhang di ko maintindihan. But pinatawad ko na kayo. O gusto nyo naman marinig. Kung ang Diyos ay nagpapatawad, ako pa kaya tao lang. Pinatawad ko na kayo. Nakamove on na ako sa buhay.
Yung pagpapatawad mo ba, of course, mayor ka naman, lawmaker naman sila, magkakaroon ho ba ng pagkakataon na...
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
Is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. They wanted rules are put in order. And it's applicable to everyone. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No. Not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's how
Because that is
serious
a
you are.
commitment to the people of Manila. Kasi yun ang kinumit ko sa entablado eh. Di ba na maliwanag naman sila, mga Tolonges, magbago na kayo ng address. Hold upper, snatcher. Ikinumit ko yun sa taong bayan and the people replied, showing this much overwhelming votes. So, kung gusto nila, magtrabaho sila, maglingkod sila sa taong bayan, I'll support them. Don't get me wrong. Pero wala nang pribilehiyo ngayon.
Okay.
Pantay-pantay lang tayo.
Just very quickly, no? So, Vice Mayor Chi, Atiensang iyong magiging kasama dyan sa City Hall, no? And your son, Joaquin. Di ba parang, did he garner the most number of votes as well?
Yes, so far, salamat sa mga taga-Tondo na yung overwhelming support ninyo sa anak ko. 23 anyos lang yun.
23, yeah.
But I got elected also at the age of 23.
Ganun ba?
We have the same record now.
Okay.
Pareho kaming 23 no?
Okay, so
Youngest
mabilis
ever.
na lang to kasi overtime na tayo. Anong unang-una mong gagawin pag upo mo? Yun na lang. Kasi dati,
thank
di ba,
you.
palagi kang 12 ng gabi, 11 ng gabi, naka-Facebook live ka, tinitingnan mo yung mga daan-daan, ganun, sinisita mo yung mga tao. Gagawin mo pa rin ba yun?
Of course, yun naman ay nasa tao. But first things first, I think I have to address the cleanliness of the city. Talaga nangadugyot kami. Ang tao talaga nagre-reklamo, hirap na hirap magtapon ng basura, ang basura nakakalat. Yung mga Tolonges, yung snatcher, yung mga petty crimes happening every single day. Of broad daylight, midnight, and ayun, talaga we will confront that. And we will go back to MBN, the way it was, minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Again, jobs. Jobs create certainty sa buhay ng isang pamilya. Kapag ang tao ay may hanap buhay, hindi yan makapag-iisip ng masama sa kapwa niya. So that's why we are very particular with creating jobs. And I hope I'm now using the show, calling the attention of those businesses to go back again and trust again the City of Manila, invest again in the City of Manila. Huwag kayong mag-alala. The sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. No? We will apply certainty, pantay-pantay ang rules to every business prospect that will provide opportunity for our people.
Sige. We'll probably just have a part 2 because I'm sure you have a lot on your plate. Madami ho kayong gagawin.
Babalik naman ako dito. Mag-uulat ako sa inyo ng 100 days.
Sige.
Promise.
Na, 100 days. We'll have
promise.
Mayor na by then again.
May awa
Mayor
Diyos.
is Tsaka ako na po tatanungin kasi syempre dami din nagtatanong, aalis ka na ba ng Maynila pagkatapos itong 3 taon?
Hindi na.
Sige.
Mangako na ako, posam ako. Sabi ko, hindi, titirahin ko na to ng 9 years. Hindi, totoo naman. Pinangarap ko yung para sa tao. Ngayon, nagdesisyon ng tao, pahinga ako, binalik ako ng tao. Mga batang Maynila, todits na lang tayo.
Bumalik ka
Pero,
na.
Again, if I'm not asking too much to the people who are watching, I cannot do this alone. I need everyone's cooperation. But basta garanti ako sa inyo, ibabalik ko sa inyo ang kapanatagan ng pamumuhay sa Maynila. But I need your help. I need everyone's cooperation. At the end of the day, tayo rin magkikita sa finals. Tayo rin mga batang Maynila. And special shout out sa mga lolo't lola ko, mga senior citizen. I love you. Ingat kayo.
Abangers?
Abangers.
Abangers daw. Abangers ang kanyang pagbabalik sa June 30. Tama ba? June 30, Abangers. All right. And we'll have him again after 100 days. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Mayor-elect
thank you sa inyo lahat.
Isko Moreno or Yorme.
At dahil umabot po kayo sa dulo ng ating video, may karapatan po kayong mag-like, share, and subscribe. So for now, I'm Gan Manila. God first, God bless all, peace. Bye-bye.